My name is Aditya Nantamahdi. I'm from Nautica Level 2.
Introduce myself. My name is Muhammad Syahrir, Major Nautica Level 2. Problems?
Well, I have a bad cough and a sore throat. I also have Adidas.
So long have you had the symptoms?
About 3 days now. I am, and I really tired too.
Hmm. It sounds like you got the flu. Take aspirin every 4 hours and get plenty of reset. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Tell me if you're still sick next week.
What seems to be the problem?
Will I have a bad shock and a sore the I also have Gigas.
How long have you had the symptoms?
About now I'm really real too.
It sounds like you got the flu. Take aspirin every 4 hours and get plenty of rest. Make sure you drink lots of fluids. Call me if you still sick next week.